If I could use one word to describe Arch, it would be dedicated. My name is Michael Sinja, and I'm a cell lead and manufacturing engineer in the milling department. As a cell lead, I supervise the manufacturing process on the shop floor to ensure that the quality of the parts is consistent. As a manufacturing engineer, I assess the drawings from the customer and determine how many operations it's going to take for us to make the parts. Initially, when I joined Arch, I was a manufacturing engineer. I didn't do any programming. They gave me an opportunity to program for one machine, and I was able to progress and program for multiple machines. Arch as a company has a huge investment in the employees. The training that they have for employees as a resource, my pathway into management or leadership was available. I was promoted to a cell lead, which has given me management experience and leadership experience with working with people in my department.